Hello, dear friend. There is a major update for Kdenlive. Now, Kdenlive 24.12.0 is available for public download, dear friend. Now we can download. We have been waiting for this update for a long time, dear friend. I am so excited to see such a fantastic updates, some fantastic features inside Kdenlive. It's like now Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolves in this free software, dear friend. If you use Kdenlive, please don't forget to update. For update we have to come here. You see here help, we come to help. Here you see here we are now inside Kdenlive. About Kdenlive, about, you can just click here about. And otherwise here you can donate, dear friend. This is the open source free best advanced video editing software. You haven't to pay anything, dear friend, for downloading. This is totally free. When you start earning, please donate 10, 20, 50, whatever you can dollar, dear friend. Please donate. Here we come here and click here Kdenlive. You see now can we are inside this pop-up icon will window will open, and now we will click here. You see here kdenlive.org, and we will just move to Kdenlive here. See, we are here inside Kdenlive here. This version I had been using for last 2 months, I think 1 month, and this version, but this is actually the major update here, there. And for this update you have to just click here. First we want to read about what's new in this Kdenlive, and then after uploading downloading, dear friend, we will overview, we will see these features. Listen this class till the end, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial for you, dear friends, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. In future we will add more tutorials about Kdenlive. There, dear friend, you see Kdenlive 24.12. This zero you see here, and this released, and now there is a major feature switch. You see shift plus delete shortcut to extract clips from the timeline. It will be very useful, there, friend. This, you see this feature you try after downloading, and added action to quickly add marker guides in a specific category. You have to try this. First we come here for subtitles. There are some updates for new features for subtitles, and you see supported for advanced substation alpha ASS. Here you see subtitle manager have been added. A new subtitle manager is now integrated with style management, and have been divided into 4 sections like files, layer, content, style. So when you download, you have to see this 4 and 5. This we will check because it's a very important. So now it will be very convenient to work with subtitles. Here you can see these subtitles here managers. These subtitles manage subtitles. From here you can manage, and here in this way info and styles. One major things I like is subtitle style editor. Now from subtitle style editor you can edit here. You see the new powerful subtitle style editor allows you to control all styling capability of the SSS format. In SSS format you can this edit here. This is actually good for everyone who have been using Kdenlive and dependent on only on Kdenlive animated subtitle. Such type of subtitles, beautiful subtitles, which are available in other proprietary softwares, dear friend, advanced software. No, in Kdenlive also this is available. No, it's also good software we can use for the one of the professional works. Most of professional works you can do in Kdenlive. Speech to text, here you see here speech to text feature ensuring smoother, more reliable experience. And here you see seamless installation, GPU acceleration and threading issue have been fixed. This, and also issues with display box, whisper, and seamless model for folder size on window. I was waiting for this update. And now we come here effects. Actually in effect, now this with this version the final tasks of fundraisers have been funded, so Kdenlive is now able to add like this. You see keyframe like bonds, circulars, exponentials have been improved now, alongside fix of zone based effects, rotoscoping, lag, sphere filter, rendering, etc. And now come here, you see interface. In interface, this is actually the new look we will have for color grading. If you have lots of works for color grading, and now it's, you see effect stack redesign enhances usability with clearer organization of keyframeable and non-keyframeable parameter, improve layout consistency, more compact and clean. You see here. And try, and built-in effect, there are some effect like GPS effect have been added once you download, and I try on your clip here this effect. And there are other like some bug fixings have been addressed, fix special tool etc, which have been added here. And you come here, and so once if you want to donate here, you come to here, and from here you can donate whatever you can, dear friend. 5, 6, 2, 3, $4, $10, and there is no obligation, dear friend. Only on your donation Kdenlive is alive, so it's our responsibility. responsibility here. We come to download now because I want to download this. If you have Linux, you come here, Linux Flatpak, Linux Almaz. If you have Apple, you on Mac system, you are on Mac system, just click here Intel according to your. I like this not a standard install level here. I will click not a standalone install level directly. Now we are downloading Kdenlive here. Hello dear friend, you see we have downloaded the file here. We'll just click here. You see, now we just open the file. Now we have in our system here. We will just click here. Okay, run as administrator. You have to run this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. No, we are. You see, click next, 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 everything next. Yes, select yes to kill and start here. Now we have the close Kdenlive. Now we see very soon we will restart the Kdenlive and we will start reviewing one by one all these features. Finish. We have to just click finish. Now we are in here. Our Kdenlive is here. You see now we have Kdenlive 24 in 12.0. This is our new version of Kdenlive here. Just we are opening now. Hello dear friend, you see we have just now open Kdenlive. Now we are in the new inside Kdenlive is with new features here. So for starting, you see for a starting project, you have to come here and double click here, add a clip folder here. You just click here. We are the actually here in project bin. You have to come here project bin and right click and you can create folder, add clip from here. We can add clip from our system actually here. Add clip. We will come here. I have in F drive. I have my file. So I will come to here in F drive. Recording. We'll just click here. We can take any file. Otherwise, you can drag from your system from here. And I want to take this. Just click OK. And now we have file here. Actually you see switch to clip means for 4K USD because this is my USD 30 FPS 3840 into 2860 30 FPS. This is a 4K clip and I will just click switch according to this project will be switched our. So remember this always switch here. Now we have actually here project. Now you see in this is the before previewing. This is actually our main previewing window where all our effects will be visible in this window. When we click from here to here and it will be available there. You see before previewing you can see from here you can cut. We have a class about the tutorial about Kdenlive. You can go and see about this. You can train video directly from here and directly drag from here, but I will drag from here. Here you see here to our timeline. You see no in our timeline it's like you can adjust like this in this. No, it's in our timeline. Now we have clip here. All property will appear here. You know, if you know Kdenlive, it's a very common dear friend. Now we play our clip and play from here. Just click here. Play. Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's video, we will learn. We are playing here. So we come here. Hello dear friend, the major update which I like now, I am inside Kdenlive and this is the website, and on the other hand, on the other side, this is the website of Kdenlive here. This is subtitle manager. For this update, you have to see in your window how it works. You have to come here. You see project manager here and this is actually subtitle. If you add more subtitle, then it will be very useful for you. Here you see add subtitle project here. Add a subtitle tool, add subtitles, manage subtitle. Actually this is actually you see subtitle managers. So you have to come here. You see here be very carefully see there, and this is subtitle here. Click here and you will see this all window. Now we have new features here. You see manage subtitles. You have to click here manage subtitle. You see here you will find in Kdenlive website files, layer, content, style, info. Here files, layer and content, style and info. From here you can add new subtitles in file. From here you can add. If you can duplicate from here, you can delete. I want to delete it. Continue, yes. I want to delete the subtitles, yes. I want to delete. If you want to keep, and from here if you can see drive, from here you can take a subtitle here. Second, you see layers. You see layer and contents. From here you can now manage layer and contents. You see new layers. You can add new layers for subtitles. You see here from here, if you use a subtitle, then you will understand it's a little bit advanced class. And you can delete subtitle from here. You can continue. You see maximize subtitle from inside here. You see this is actually new features. And now come to our styles here. You see a style, manage subtitle style. If you have subtitle here, from here styles you can manage. You can change colors here. You see a different type of language. Once you add, you will understand here. And from here you can name, font, bold, italics you can add here inside. You have to use. You see you drag one by one here. You see secondary color, primary color, you can add outline, you can add a back color, you can add in subtitle back color, various type of when I have no subtitle here. When you have subtitle here, all icon will appear here. You can manage. You see, it's so fantastic, so advanced features have been added. Outline, you can add shadow to your subtitles here. Here bottom align scale, you can scale, and you see here spacing, angles, various type of all this advanced. You have to see one by one. Bold, marginal, and margin, left, right, in the text, up, down, margin, v, include all these features have been added in a no new Kdenlive 24.12.0 here, dear friends. So it's actually the major update for if you add subtitles, you want a fantastic fashionable subtitles, you can do in Kdenlive here. Here we come here, and here info, you see info. Here in info you see layout, regs, you see here all these features, script type here, and this all it's also new for me. So some days I will give time and try and one by one, and again we will come with new video here. Subtitle editors, no, it's available. Subtitle editor, you see from here, no subtitle editors. We have for this you have to come here, you see generator, add sequence, create animations. Here once again we have to come here. Actually this is the add subtitle. From here, shift plus s, shortcut is shift plus s. You have to add subtitles. Now we can write anything here, you see here. For example, I write resolve for you. Our channel is a resolve for you. Please subscribe the channel, dear friend. Please subscribe the channel if it's useful for you. This information is useful for you. It's a justify to subscribe the channels and give me motivations and help me to grow the YouTube channels to and spread this information to more audiences, dear friends. Please subscribe, and you see I have written resolve for you. Please subscribe the channels here. You see now it has actually appeared here. Now you see we have actually here subtitle editors. It's a new resolve for you. For example, I want to make it bold. Here from I can make it bold here. Now it's a bold here, and I will change here to for example underline. Now it's underlined here, you see new, it's actually pop up, you see. It's actually SS format, you see here. It's a bold, you are showing this here, some B1 U1, you see in SS format you can make it now. And I can add more subtitles here. For example, if you have big clip, you will make more. It's a tutorial purpose, I am telling you. And new Kdenlive update, new Kdenlive update 24.12.0. Actually, this is our Kdenlive update here. You see, new Kdenlive update has appeared. Now we can make it other. It's a very good day. You can add such type of in Kdenlive such type of new features, and we can make it bold if you want to make it bold. Here from you can set position. You see set positions. Okay, I will not set. Can see. Now you see here from here you can add various type of stroke which affects here. You see effect, stroke, outline. You see I can change the font from here, and I want to strike out. You see strike out, it has appeared here. If you okay, it will be strike out. You see strike out, this effect has appeared here. Here from you can add keyframings, time revamping, effects, subtitles. We come to subtitles here. You have to just select this and now see when you come here, this subtitle editor, you see here in Kdenlive website. Now we are inside Kdenlive. You have to come here, you see style. We will just click here, you see style. No, it's actually it is the main things where you can change a lots of things. You see background, you can outline, you can add the shadow here, you can increase shadow. For example, I want to increase shadow. It will be visible in our text color. If you can change from text color here. For example, I want to take red. You can take red from here. Red. Okay, red text color. Secondary color you can take something like this. Okay, and you can add style name, you can add from here, and you can add here from rotation point. If you know Kdenlive basics, then you will understand very easily here. And you can add the scale point, and you can make like animation like this. If you have you don't know how to animate keyframing with text in Kdenlive, I have a special class. Go and see there, it will be very useful. So preview, okay, our text will be like this. You see, you can know this is pro preview panel where it will appear here. And you can add more, like you can more outline, you can add. You see outline, we have black outline actually. We can change the outline something like this, yellow. I will check our outline will be yellow here, you see. And you know how to increase the text. You can increase the size of text from here. Okay, decrease, I'm decreasing, increasing, from increase, You can increase text. I'm increasing here. From here you can, it's actually the basic things of adding, increasing, decreasing text. I want to take more advanced. Background default, you can add box as outlined. You see, this is actually the great. It was in DaVinci Resolve. In the, now it's available here in this. It's a great, dear friend. Now it's a very advanced things inside Kdenlive. You can, you see, and change the color here. Actually, this is the main which I was waiting. Here from a stroke, you can add, like, I don't know, underline from here directly. You can add underline. You see, our text will be in underlined here. You see, and italic if you want italic, bold if you want bold, it will be, text will be bold here. I just unclick because I wanted to show you all these. Box as, no, you see, box as box as shadow, it will be like a shadow. You see here, box as shadow. Here you have to click here background, and you have to come here, box box as outline, it will be outline. Box default, it will be default. You see, if you want to use default, you can as default. A box as shadow, I like this very much. I use in DaVinci Resolve this. And box has a outline, it will be in outline here. No, but shadow is also available here. You see, black here, black. You can add marginal from here. You see, marginal, you know, it's a scaling. You can scale, you can add this scale, and add like this type of keyframing you can do inside. Try one by one. So it's okay. Now you see our title is here, like in this way. We have just made, we using this subtitle manager. This we have already said, speech to text. You know, here speech to text. You come here, speech editors. I haven't downloaded Pythons here, so you have to configure. For configuring, you have to come here, speech to text, whisper. You have to download here, install multilingual translation, require internet connection. Okay, click, it will actually download. And there is other method, you have to go to site there, and you have to add, then it will work, dear friend. You see, seamless here, this new feature. So whisper already it was available in Kdenlive. Translate from here to translate text to English. It's actually, in advanced class we learn how to download this module, whisper AI and pythons, and then it will work inside Kdenlive. Effects, now we come to effects here. Just we close. Okay, for effects you have to come, there are several effects have been added. You have to read one by one. Here you see these bonds effects, circular, exponential, these effects have been added. Our class will be very long, dear friends, so I wanted to make shorter. For effect, you have to come here and search one by one. You see here, and you have to add this effect to our in project, and then you will understand. If you want a separate class for effect, please write me. I will make a separate class. Will write in the comment box. For this, according to your comment box, I will add this to this. Okay, and now for there is an interface redesign here for color grading. Actually, here in there is a major update here, dear friend, for color grading. Here, this you see here, in info buttons have been added here. For example, I take CMYK effect here, and I click here. Here you see, now in this info button, new info button has been added. You have to discover this after, when you start using. So I will have to discover new these features. On these features, you see a built-in effects. Actually, this is the one of the fantastic features which I like, and most of people, most of us may use this feature in futures. You see, now it's available only for transform and flip, and volume also it's available. Try for volume. I want to show you how you can use this for transform. We have to come here, for here in composition section. This is effects composition. Here type here transform, this will appear here, and I will drag here. I will drag to here in clip here one's position. For example, I want here for this position. From here, anywhere you can drag. You can drag and make a smaller and a bigger here. And anywhere you can drag and put, and it actually work like adjustment layer. Some things, dear friend, it's a very useful. Now you can rotate here. Position you can rotate here. You see, I have rotate. I have added. You can add actually here keyframing also. I have no time, but you can do actually here. You see, like in this way, rotate X, Y, rotate Z. You can rotate from Z here, like in this way, and it's a useful. And when you come here, for example, I want to add keyframing for it. I can add keyframing like this. You see here, like our video will be like this. When we will come here, we will add keyframing. For example, I am here, add keyframing here, add keyframing, and we will just rotate Y here. For example, I like this. And when our video will come here, I will add again keyframing here. You see, position like this. You can make this such type of effect. And when our video will here, this position, and we can add again keyframing, and add keyframing, I will add position like this. Our video will go here. I am showing you only for example, dear friend. You have to do, and we will do beautifully. and add keyframing, and up down you can make like up down effect. You can add distort here, it will be distorted, I don't want no. And from here background, you can add background. If a video in the background effect, it will be, I use automatic here. So try this. And a scale, you can scale. For example, I want to add a scale effect, I will come here, add, and our scale will appear here, pop-up will here. I can scale like this. And opacity, when our video will here, you have some real uh, color effect you want to use, and you want to use opacity, you can make opacity like this. Because you see black dark, you can make dark, or you can bigger. You have to use this in a clip. When your clip starts and finishes, you can use such type of effect. For example, I edit black. Now you see this, how it's for, you see our video is straight here. No, when it transform
Computer is
layout
smoothly
effect, it's
and
actually transform layout.
fast. This is actually the role of this is the open source and free and one of the best, better than.
No, it's a good that you can add anywhere. You can save this for your future project, and anywhere in your clip you can put anywhere in any clip, it will work now.
And one of the best,
See,
better than any pad softwares. And it uninstall.
oh, it's a fantastic. It's a look, Kdenlive so advanced. No, so much it has improved. Track background. This is actually main, and this is also for audio. When we come to the website of Kdenlive here, this is now working for transform, flip, and volume. So write in the comment box if you want for volume and flips. We'll cover in the next class. And now this is actually a GPS effect, as well as HSL range, primaries, which we will cover in the next class, dear friend. Hello, dear friend. We have covered the most of features which have been added in Kdenlive 24 into 12.0. So subtitles and some effects and some of features which I can't add in this class. Please write in the comment box. The class will be longer. We will add in the next class, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. Write in the comment box which type of Kdenlive tutorial do you want in future, dear friend. We meet in the next class with some new exciting features about Kdenlive.